Hello students, welcome to Sri Jayendra's Rank Zone classes. I am your friend and mentor for coming classes with respect to business mathematics and statistics. This is lecture number 10, chapter 2, unit 1, equations. In this lecture, we will solve the equations of quadratic equations. Now let's start with this. Choose the most appropriate option A, B, C or D. If the roots of the equation 2x square plus 8x minus m cube is equal to 0, roots are equal, so alpha is equal to beta. Then the value of m is, now find b square minus 4ac. Find out b square minus 4ac. So first compared 2x square plus 8x minus m cube is equal to 0 with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So here a is equal to 2, b is equal to 8, c is equal to minus m cube. B square means 8 square minus 4 a 2 c minus m cube. 64 plus 8 m cube. So roots alpha beta is equal to minus b plus or minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. So minus b minus 8 plus or minus under root 64 plus 8 m cube 2a, 2 2s are 4. Here alpha is equal to beta. So alpha is equal to beta. So minus 8 plus under root 64 plus 8 m cube by 4 is equal to minus 8 minus under root 64 plus 8 m cube by 4. 4 4 cancel. Minus 8 cancel. So root cancel. 64 plus 8 m cube is equal to 64 minus 64 minus 8 m cube plus 8 m cube plus 8 m cube 16 m cube is equal to minus 64 128. So m cube is equal to minus 128 by 16. 16 8s are 128. So m is equal to minus 2. Option is D, m is equal to minus 2. Now next one is, if 2 raised to 2x plus 3 minus 3 square into 2 raised to x plus 1 is equal to 0, then the value of x are, here 2 raised to 2x into 2 cube minus 3 square into 2 raised to x plus 1 is equal to 0. 8 into 2 raised to 2x minus 3 square. So instead of 3 square write 9 into 2 raised to x plus 1 is equal to 0. Consider 2 raised to x is equal to a. So 8a square minus 9a plus 1 is equal to 0. Take multiplication of first term and last term. 8a square. So 8 ones are 8 minus 8a minus a. So it becomes minus 9a. 8a square minus 8a minus a plus 1 is equal to 0. 8a common, a minus 1 common, a minus 1 is equal to 0. So 8a minus 1, a minus 1 is equal to 0. 8a minus 1 is equal to 0, a minus 1 is equal to 0. So 8a is equal to 1 or a is equal to 1. A is equal to 1 by 8. So put the value of a, 2 raised to x, 1 upon 2 cube is equal to 2 raised to minus 3. So x is equal to minus 3. 2 raised to x is equal to 1 is equal to 2 raised to 0. So x is equal to 0. 0 and minus 3. So answer is D, 0 and minus 3. Now move to the next question. The values of 4 plus 1 upon 4 plus 1 upon 4 plus up to infinite. So consider x is equal to, here consider x is equal to 4 plus 1 upon x. So multiply x square, 4x plus 1. So x square minus 4x plus 1 is equal to 0. Compared with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. A is equal to 1, b is equal to minus 4, c is equal to 1. So root alpha beta is equal to minus b plus or minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Minus b minus 4 plus or minus b square, 16 minus 4, a1 c1 1, 2a 1. 4 plus or minus 16 minus 4, so 12 under root 12 by 2. For AC, here x square minus 4x, c is minus 1, sorry, here minus 1 is equal to 0, so c is minus 1. So 16 plus 4, so it becomes 20. So we can write 4 plus or minus under root 4 into 5 by 2. 4 plus or minus 4 means 2. 4 by 2 plus or minus 2 by 2 root 5. 2 2s are 4, 2 2 cancel. So 2 plus or minus root 5. Here one is 2 plus root 5 and another is 2 minus root 5. So root 5, value of root 5 is 2 plus something 2.23. So it becomes 4.23. 2 minus root 5. So 2 minus 2.23. So value of root 5 is bigger than 2. Value of root 5 is bigger than 2. So it becomes negative value. Answer is in negative form. So here root 5 greater than 2. Here root 5 greater than 2. So answer is only 2 plus root 5. Answer is only 2 plus root 5 B. Answer is B. Because in the given equation also 4 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 plus something. So 4 plus this value, 4 plus this value. So answer is 4 plus something, 4 plus something. So 2 plus root 5 is answer. Here 2 minus root 5. In 2 minus root 5, value of root 5 is greater than the 2. So value becomes negative. So from the equation we see that 4 plus 1 upon 4 plus 1. So 4 point something value is the answer. So 2 plus root 5 is the answer. Now next, if alpha beta be the roots of the equation 2x square minus 4x minus 3 is equal to 0. Alpha and beta be the roots of the equation. So 2x square minus 4x minus 3 is equal to 0. Compared with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. A is equal to 2, b is equal to minus 4 and c is equal to 3. Here alpha plus beta is equal to minus b upon a. So minus 4, a2, 2 2s are 4. Alpha into beta, c upon a, c3, a2, so 3 by 2. Now find out the value of alpha square plus beta square. So instead of alpha square beta square we can write alpha plus beta whole square minus 2 alpha beta. So alpha plus beta whole square, 2 square minus 2 alpha beta, 3 by 2. So 2 2s are 4. 4 minus 3 is equal to c by a. C is minus 3. So minus 3 by 2, minus 3 by 2. 4 plus 3. So 7. 4 plus 3. Alpha square plus beta square value is 7. Answer is B. Next, if the sum of the root of the quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 is equal to the sum of the square of their reciprocals, then a square upon ac plus bc upon a square is equal to, here write equation ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Alpha plus beta is equal to minus b upon a. Alpha into beta is equal to c upon a. Here alpha plus beta is equal to, if the sum of the roots of the quadratic equation, sum of the roots, so 1 upon alpha square plus 1 upon beta square given. So alpha plus beta is equal to beta square plus alpha square into beta square. So instead of alpha square plus beta square we can write alpha plus beta whole square minus 2 alpha beta upon alpha into beta whole square. Alpha plus beta, here alpha plus beta minus b by a, so b square by a square minus 2 alpha into beta c upon a. Here c square by a square. So b square minus 2ac upon a square by c square upon a square. A square cancel. So alpha square plus beta square b square minus 2ac upon c square. This is alpha plus beta, not alpha square plus beta square. So instead of alpha plus beta we can write minus alpha plus beta is minus b upon a, b square minus 2ac upon c square. So minus bc square ab square minus 2a square c. So 2a square c is equal to ab square plus bc square. So 2 is equal to ab square by a square c plus bc square by a square c. So 2 is equal to, here 1a cancel, so b square by ac plus c cancel, bc upon a square. So answer is 2. Answer is 2a. Now next question. The equation x square minus p plus 4x plus 2p plus 5 is equal to 0 has equal roots. The value of p will be, here x square minus p plus 4x plus 2p plus 5 is equal to 0. Ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. A is equal to 1, b is equal to minus p plus 4 and c is equal to 2p plus 5. So b square minus 4ac is equal to 0 because equal roots. So minus p plus 4 square minus 4 a1 c 2p plus 5 is equal to 0. P plus 4 square, p square 8p plus 16 minus 8p minus 20 is equal to 0. 8p plus 8p minus 8p cancel. P square minus 4 is equal to 0. So p is equal to, p square is equal to 4. So p is equal to under root of 4 is equal to plus or minus 2. C answer. Next question. The roots of the equation x square plus 2p minus 1x plus p square is equal to 0 are real if b square minus 4ac greater than or equal to 0, then roots are real. here compared equation with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. A is equal to 1, b is equal to 2p minus 1, c is equal to p square. Now take b square minus 4ac greater than equal to 0. b square 2p minus 1 square minus 4a1 c p square greater than equal to 0. 4p square minus 4p plus 1 minus 4p square greater than equal to 0. Plus and minus 4p square cancel. So minus 4p plus 1 greater than equal to 0. So 1 minus 4p greater than equal to 0. So 1 greater than or equal to 4p. So 1 by 4 greater than or equal to p. So p less than or equal to 1 by 4. So answer is D. Now next question. If x is equal to m is one of the solution of the equation, if x is equal to m is one of the solution of the equation 2x square plus 5x minus m is equal to 0, the possible values of m are, here write 2x square plus 5x minus m is equal to 0. Put the value of x m. 2 m square plus 5m minus m is equal to 0. So 2m square 5m minus m 4m is equal to 0. So 2m common, m plus 2 is equal to 0. So 2m is equal to 0, m plus 2 is equal to 0, m is equal to 0 and m is equal to minus 2. So m is equal to 0 and minus 2. Answer is B. Next question. If p and q are roots of x square plus 2x plus 1 is equal to 0, then the values of pq plus q cube becomes, here x square plus 2x plus 1 is equal to 0. Compared with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. A is equal to 1, b is equal to, c is equal to 1. P and q are roots, so p and q is equal to minus b plus or minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Here p plus q is equal to minus b upon a. Minus 2 upon 1 is equal to minus 2. And pq is equal to c upon a, 1 by 1 is equal to 1. Now find out the pq plus q cube is equal to, so pq plus q cube is equal to, write p plus q cube minus 3pq into p plus q. So p plus q minus 2 minus 3 pq 1, p plus q is minus 2. 2 2s are 4 2s are 8. 3 plus 2, 3 into 2 minus minus plus 6. Minus 8 plus 6 is equal to minus 2. So answer is B minus 2. Answer is B minus 2. Next question. L plus m plus n is equal to 0. L, m, n are rationals. The roots of the equations m plus n minus l x square plus n plus l minus m into x plus l plus m minus n is equal to 0 are here L plus m plus n is equal to 0 given. So now write the equation m plus n minus l x square plus n plus l minus m into x plus l plus m minus n is equal to 0 compared with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. A is equal to m plus n minus l, b is equal to n plus l minus m, and c is equal to l plus m minus n. Now you find out the roots of this equation alpha beta minus b plus or minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. So this method is become very long. So I will teach you one short method. Now see. Short method. Here L plus m plus n is equal to 0. So we can write, we can take 1, L is equal to 1, m is equal to 2 and n is equal to 3 minus 3. So 1 plus 2 minus 3 minus 3 is equal to 0. True. So take L is equal to 1, m is equal to 2 and n is equal to minus 3. M plus n minus l x square plus n plus l minus m into x plus l plus m minus n is equal to 0. Put the value of l, m and n. M 2, n minus 3, minus 1, minus 4, 2 minus 4. So minus 2x square plus n minus 3, L1 minus 3 plus 1 minus 2 minus m, so minus 4x plus L1 m2 3 minus 3, so L1 m2 L plus m minus n minus minus plus, so 3 plus 3 6 is equal to 0. So minus 2x square minus 4x plus 6 is equal to 0. 2 common, so x square plus 2 2s are 4x, 2x minus 3 is equal to 0. Now compared with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. A is equal to 1, b is equal to 2, c is equal to minus 3. Now take b square minus 4ac is equal to 2 square minus 4 a1 c minus 3. 4 minus minus plus 12 is equal to 16. Here 16 is positive. 16 is positive and square of 4, perfect square of square. So roots are rational and real. Roots are rational and real. So roots are rational and real. Now this lecture is over here. So see you soon. Bye bye.